Craig. O, pas lac gan Nathan Craig. Mendes. O, mae'na gyfle i Ashley rwan, doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll! Ath o'i lorio gan Brookwell na, oedd o'n wir yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Penderfyniad dadleuol gan Mr Patch. Wel, mi oedd hi'n edrych fel tysa Danny Brookwell wedi dal coes Ashley rwan. Ryan Edwards. Edwards dan bwysa. Crowther. Gareth Evans. Breeze o'i flaen o. Dyma Jamie Breeze. Breeze! Arbediad rhagorol gan McCormick. Mi ddoth allan o'i gwrt 6. Mi oedd hwnna ar y targau gan Jamie Breeze. Arbediad allweddol. Roberts. Pas hyfryd a Danny Brookwell. Brookwell cael ei figilio gan Rimmer. Brookwell dal i fynd. Brookwell yn mynd efo postyn gosa. Symudiad da gan Caernarfon a gan Danny Brookwell. Heibio i Rimmer ond McCormick y tu ôl iddi pob cam. Walker eisiau creu lle i gael y croesiad neu'r ergyd. Walker yn troi heibio Nathan Craig. Walker codi'r belt ar ochr bellans o neb yna. Mon Joe Williams yn ôl i mewn gan Ryan Edwards. Mendes. Yr ergyd yn tasgu at Walker. Cyfle gora Aberystwyth yn yr hanner cyntaf yma. Ychydig dros 5 munud i fynd tan yr egwyl. Declan Walker. Yr ergyd. Heibio'r nod. A Crowther. Edwards. Jamie Breeze oedd o ddim yn cam sefyll. McCormick i fewn amdani. Breeze ar peniad oedd hi ar y llinell. Cyfle clir i Breeze. A'r peniad gan Rimmer. Ryan Edwards. Twtho Gareth Evans. Y cyffred o'n hyfryd at Mendes. Cyfle clir i Paulo Mendes. Symudiad hyfryd. Nath y cam arall i fewn i'r cwrt ac yna'r ergyd i fod yn syniad gwell. Ramsey. Na'r cliriad. Brookwell digon amser i reoli rwan ta Brookwell. Berig ar y droed chwyth na Brookwell. Heibio i Walker. Brookwell ar ergyd. Oedd hwnna ddim yn bell a mi oedd hi'n arbediad campus gan Terry McCormick o'r ergyd gan Danny Brookwell. Rimmer. At Ryan Edwards ac yna Joe Williams. Wallacott. Declan Walker. Dyn uchel i rei prawf ar Ryan Williams. O, camgymeriad fan hyn. Mae yna gyfle i rwan! Sut ar wyneb y ddaear? Y methodd Ashley rwan y cyfle yna. Cyfle gora'r gêm heb unrhyw amheuaeth. Ryan Williams yn methu delio ar bêl uchel. Ashley rwan yn methu'r targed yn llwyr. Joe Williams. Brookwell. Nôl at Crowther. Gareth Evans, doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll. Evans yn mynd â Danny, yn taro'r postyn! O, dihangfa i Aberystwyth. Wel, Gareth Evans yn troi yn y cwrt Cosby. Yn taro'r postyn. Ac yn bownsio'r ffordd anghywir. Noah Edwards. O, mewn yn benderfynol. Be gan Bradley. Bêl i gefn y rhwyd. O, mi oedd y dyfarnwr wedi chwythu'r chwiban o Mr Patch. Wel, mi adawodd i'r chwarae barhau. Ac yna'n penderfynu stopio'r gêm. Mi oedd Declan Walker a Noah Edwards ben. Mi oedd y bêl yng nghefn y rhwyd gan Sean Bradley. O'n chwaraewyr a thîm reoli Caernarfon yn gandryll efo penderfyniad Mr Patch. A mae Noah Edwards wedi cael ei hel o'r cae. Walker. Ydych am y Madi. Yr ergyd! O, na chi arbediad ag unwaith eto. O, chwip o ergyd gan Joe Phillips ac Alex Ramsey ac arbediad Cwbl gofiadwy.
My question is, the ball span off. It's gone like the same. It's gone the direction in which like we're attacking. The referee hasn't blown. You know, I think a challenge like that, I think if he's endangering a player, the referee sort of blows straight away. Referee's played on. I'm sort of looking at Deck, to be fair, because he's still on the ground, you know, making sure there's nothing serious. And Brads goes on and scores, you know, a great finish. Now, fourth official has called, you know, Mr. Petch back, and he said like it's a straight red card, and Mr. Petch has told me that. The fourth has said it's a red card. So I don't, you know, obviously he's got a better view of it. You know, he's right in front of it, but you know, for me, I think it's the referee's decision. And it may cost us, you know, the game itself. It wasn't necessarily a classic. You know, certainly a game of two halves. I thought Aber were very good second half. They asked a lot of questions of us and had opportunities, but we were excellent first half as well. But there we go, we're away from home on a Friday, and you know, I think we would have taken a point and a clean sheet at the start of the night.
It was a really good game, you know, two sides going for it, and that's how it should be played. And as you say, it'd be a shame if anyone would have lost that game, but you know, second half I just thought we shaded it. You know, Ashes missed that one, and we had a couple of other half chances, and you know, on another night we'd get the 3 points which we desperately need, because we're just in that final third, we're just not getting that bit of luck. But we look solid, and you know, the players are working hard, so as long as we do that, the results I'm sure they'll turn.